Okay, how about you do something super cool with me this year? I do this with everybody that I work with. Come up with 26 this year because it's 2026. 26 things that you want to be, do, have, feel, or experience this year. I'm Delise. I'm a mindset mentor and a licensed therapist. And if you're not clear on what it is that you want, then you sort of create by default, meaning you go through life and some things happen, some things don't, and it is what it is. But if you get crystal clear, you make your list and you decide where your life is going to go. Watch how things unfold. It feels kind of magical, but it's really you inside yourself getting clear about what you want. So spend some time, make your list, and also come up with a word that you want to be able to describe your 2026 year. Like, what do you want it to be? Lucrative or exciting or fun or bliss or prosperity? Like, what are the words? And actually, let's get each other really excited about our forward moving action. What is your word? Put it in the comments. I would love for everybody to encourage one another.